Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. I have posted many pizza recipes on the Terrace Kitchen and the most unique and one of a kind was no cheese pizza. In today's video, I am going to show you the recipe of another fusion pizza recipe which you would definitely fall in love with. We'll see how to make Pav Bhaji pizza. So let's get started. For the pizza base, we need 2 cups all-purpose flour, that is Maida. You can use half whole wheat flour and half Maida. Add some salt as per taste, then add 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix the dry ingredients. Next add 1/4 cup curd. Gradually add water and make a medium soft dough. You don't need to knead this dough a lot. If you knead it for 5 minutes, that's also fine. Apply some oil. Cover the dough and let it sit aside for 30 minutes. It's important to rest the dough. Next, we'll pressure cook the vegetables. As you can see, I'm using many Borosil products in my kitchen. Here again, I'm using my Pronto cooker to cook the vegetables. The sturdy pressure cooker is a part of the stainless steel tri-ply range. Unlike regular stainless steel cookware, whatever I have cooked in these utensils does not stick or burn. The tri-ply range also includes pressure cooker, pan, tope and saucepan. Do check out their website for the complete range of cookware. To the pressure cooker, add soaked dried green peas. So these were 1/4 cup before soaking. You can soak these overnight or for 5 to 6 hours. Next, add 1 small to medium sized potato roughly chopped. 1/4 cup roughly chopped cauliflower. Approximately 3/4 cup water, a little here and there is fine. Place the lid of pressure cooker and cook for 3 to 4 whistles at medium flame. After that, switch off the flame and let the pressure release and open the lid of your pressure cooker. Next step is to mash the vegetables. Take a masher and mash the vegetables. To adjust the consistency, you can add water later if required. Next, I am heating my Borosil stainless steel tri-ply kadhai. Next, we need to add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil, and once the oil becomes hot, 1 small size finely chopped onion and 1 small size finely chopped capsicum. Fry the capsicum and onion together. This way you would get better taste from the capsicum instead of boiling it along with other vegetables. After the onions become slightly brown in color, add ginger garlic paste or crushed ginger garlic. Fry for a minute, then add turmeric. At low flame, fry for 7 to 8 seconds. Next, add 1 big size tomato. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, use Kashmiri or Byadgi for good color. A little salt to soften the tomatoes. And a little water. You may cover your kadhai at low flame, cook the tomatoes for 5 minutes and then mash with the back of your spoon. Next, add the mashed vegetables. You may also add beetroot to your pav bhaji. Now add salt to taste, as per the vegetables, and mix well. Here at this stage, you may add a little water to adjust the consistency. Once you're done mixing, add Pav Bhaji Masala and butter as much as you like. Link to these Borosil's range is given in description box. Use my code Priyanka10 to avail additional discount on your order exclusively on www.myborosil.com. Our Pav Bhaji is ready. Now let's move to the next step. The dough is done. It won't rise the way a yeast dough rises, but don't worry, the base would be absolutely fantastic. Knead the dough again for a minute. With this amount of dough, you can make 3 medium-sized pizzas. Take 1 portion, sprinkle some maida and roll using your rolling pin. You can keep the thickness of this pizza base similar to a stuffed paratha. A stuffed paratha after the stuffing. I usually do not prick my pizza base because I directly add the sauce and toppings, but today we are going to make it on tawa, that's why pricking is necessary. To make the pizza, I'm using this elegant and sturdy non-stick tawa from Borosil. These Borosil utensils are induction, electric and gas stove compatible. Cook the pizza base at medium flame on both the sides for 10 to 12 seconds. We need to slightly cook it, we don't need to cook it, otherwise it would burn later while making the actual pizza. If you don't prick the pizza base and cook it like this like a roti on a tawa, it might puff up. Now add a generous amount of prepared pav bhaji and spread it evenly. You may add more pav bhaji if you want. Next, add mozzarella cheese. Do not use it straight out of your freezer or refrigerator. Keep it on your counter, let it become soft and then use it on your pizza. 1 cheese slice. You can use it straight out of your refrigerator, not freezer, because cheese slice melts easily. Next, add some capsicum, onion. You may add sweet corn, olive, your favorite toppings. What's your favorite topping on a pizza? Let me know in the comment section. You may also add some more pav bhaji on top like this. If you want to bake this in an OTG or convection, you can see the instructions on the screen. Cook the pizza at low flame. Use the smallest burner of your gas stove. If you want, you can cover this pizza, but don't do it right away, otherwise the base would become soggy. If you let the cheese become soft at room temperature, you won't even need to cover your pizza. The cheese would melt easily. Finally, some chili flakes and pizza seasoning. I'm using ready-made pizza seasoning. You may also drizzle some olive oil if you like. Or some melted butter because this is pav bhaji pizza. Slice the pizza and serve it right away. You might also serve a glass of cold drink or juice along with this. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!